Lle digrif y bîm heddiw dan fentyll y gwyrddgyll gwiw yn gwarando ddechrau dydd y ceiliog bronfraith celfydd yn canu englyn Alythyr, arwyddion a llithion llathyr. Ac eos gain fain fan gaw o gŵr y llwyn, gareu llaw, clerw rai gnant, i gant a gan cloch aberth, clai i chwiban, a dyrchafel yr aberth hyd yn enwch ben y berth, a chrefydd i'n dofydd dad a cherygl nwyf a chariad. Bodlon wyf i'r ganiadaeth, bedw Llwyn o'r coed mwyn a'i maith. A pleasant place I was at today under mantles of the worthy green hazel, listening at day's beginning to the skilful cockthrush singing a splendid stanza of fluent signs and symbols. Then the slim, eloquent nightingale from the corner of a grove nearby, poetess of the valley, sings to the many the sanctus bell in lively whistling. The sacrifice is raised up to the sky above the bush, devotion to God the Father, the chalice of ecstasy and love. The psalmody contents me. It was bred of a birch grove in the sweet woods.